If you're tired of waking up every day with a stiff and achy shoulder that makes getting dressed feel like an Olympic event, you must begin my daily shoulder routine. This routine has helped thousands reduce their symptoms faster than they thought was possible, and if you're truly committed to your health, you can do the same. My name is Dr. Joey Seyforth. We've helped thousands with shoulder pain and impingement fully recover through our one-on-one online coaching program. And in this episode, I'm going to take you step by step through my life-changing shoulder morning routine. Let's begin. So if you're like so many out there who find those first few movements in the morning are needed to work out that shoulder stiffness, or that it's hard to even lift your arm to brush your teeth, then here's what you need to do. Because here's the thing, after hours of not moving while you sleep, your shoulder gets starved of blood flow and nutrients. The tissues get sticky, the joints get stiff, and that's why morning is often the worst time for shoulder pain. Before you even get out of bed, roll onto your side with your painful shoulder up. Place a pillow between your knees for comfort if needed. Now, extend both arms straight out in front of you at shoulder height. Keep your bottom arm still and slowly rotate your top arm like you're opening a book, following with your eyes. Go as far as you comfortably can, aiming to touch the bed behind you. What this is doing is unlocking both your shoulder and thoracic spine. That's your mid-back. After sleeping in one position all night, these areas get locked up. This gentle rotation starts to restore that mobility you need for pain-free movement. Now here's the key. Breathe deeply as you hold each rotation for 2 to 3 seconds. Complete 10 rotations on both sides, feeling that shoulder and mid-back start to loosen up. If you notice the shoulder symptoms increasing, back off a bit. Only go to the point where you feel a good stretch. Now, why does this work? Let me explain something crucial. Another big area that has to be addressed is the thoracic spine. The thoracic spine starts below the neck and goes all the way down like that. If we're not having the proper extension in it, if we're flexed like this, we can only raise our shoulders up so much. If we can get that extension all the way there, we're able to lift our shoulder into all those positions more freely and smoother. Now for our next exercise, start by kneeling in front of your bed and place your hands into a prayer position. Placing your elbows on the bed, drop your hips back while pressing your chest forward. You should feel a stretch through your upper back and lats. Stop just before you feel pain and hold the position for 2 to 3 seconds before returning to the start. This is restoring thoracic extension while stretching the front of your shoulder, areas that get extremely tight from sleeping positions and daily posture. Complete 10 to 12 reps breathing deeply. The beauty of this movement is it addresses multiple areas at once. Your thoracic spine extends, your shoulder opens, and you're preparing the joint for movement. And if you want the full Big 5 shoulder guide, you can download it using the link in the description. For the last exercise, get up and head over the wall and place one foot in front of the other and place your hands on the wall with your elbows off. From there, you're going to slide your arms up the wall, leaning your chest forward at the top. See, your thoracic spine and shoulder blades are like best friends. When one is upset, the other one is too. Tight shoulder blades are like wearing a super tight shirt that doesn't stretch. If your shoulder blades can't move properly, then your shoulder joint has to compensate. Move in and out of the position on the wall, making sure to not force the motion. As you do more of these, you will feel your shoulders getting higher and higher up the wall. You should also feel your shoulder blades moving up and around during. Let me show you why it's important to get that shoulder blade rotation. So we have our shoulder blade right here, and we have our shoulder. If our shoulder blade's not upwardly rotating enough, this is what happens. As we rotate, that ball is getting compressed between the shoulder and shoulder blade right there. That's where we're getting that impingement. The impingement can be on different tissues. It could be on bursa. If we look at this side, if we actually get the shoulder blade to upwardly rotate the entire way to that 60 degrees right there, we can lift our arm all the way up. We no longer have that impingement. We can also reach across our body and reach back, and that's going to significantly offload the shoulder and make it feel a lot better. This movement carries forward into everything. Reaching overhead, sports like tennis or swimming, even just getting things from high shelves. The best athletes in the world know that shoulder blade mobility is key to their performance. Now get on with your morning routine and enjoy the results. Although a lot of people can see quick changes to their pain levels, understand that the work isn't done. You can't just expect pain reduction from 3 movements. All the other areas need to be addressed. You need to ensure the root cause is 100% resolved and then move to a bulletproofing phase. This should include fundamental stability movements that turn into dynamic shoulder loading, eventually progressing to athletic and strength compound movements. This is the approach we've used to help over 1,000 people get 100% pain relief within 3 to 6 months. It's needed to get you back to a higher degree of fitness than before and support your athletic endeavors for life. And honestly, I can show you how all this works. So if you're serious about fixing it the right way and want to dive deeper with me, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.